In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recolor artwork in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever wanted to refresh a design, match a brand palette, or quickly explore a new look without redrawing anything, this workflow is going to save you time and keep your artwork consistent. We'll start by choosing exactly what we want to change. Select all the objects you want to recolor, or if you're planning a full makeover, select the entire artwork. Being deliberate here ensures you only modify the elements you intend, whether that's a small icon set or a complex illustration. Next, open the tool that does the heavy lifting. Go to Edit, then Edit Colors, and choose Recolor Artwork. This opens the Recolor Artwork dialog box, which is the control center for your palette. Right away, you'll see a list of all the colors currently used in your selection. Think of this as a live inventory, fills, strokes, and gradient stops that Illustrator gathered from what you selected. From here, you can map old colors to new ones globally. That means when you replace a color in this dialog, every instance of that color in your selection updates at once. It's perfect for swapping a brand color or unifying shades that appear across multiple shapes. This global mapping keeps your results consistent and eliminates the need to hunt down individual objects. If you want broader, more exploratory changes, use the color wheel. Dragging around the wheel shifts hues across the entire selection, letting you find new combinations fast. You can nudge the wheel for subtle changes or rotate it further for a dramatic transformation. It's an intuitive way to explore variations without manually editing each color. You'll also see options to link or unlink harmony colors. When harmony colors are linked, all colors shift together, preserving the relationships between them, great for keeping contrast, mood, and balance intact. If you prefer granular control, unlink the colors and adjust each one individually. This is especially helpful when a single accent needs to stand out or when you want to fine-tune just one shade without affecting the rest. When you're happy with the preview, click OK. Illustrator applies the changes everywhere those colors appear in your selection, instantly updating your artwork while maintaining structure and consistency. If something doesn't look right, you can always undo and try a different combination. That's it. Quick